Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience using this tool. VEED.io is a versatile online video editing platform that simplifies video creation and editing for various purposes. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible even to beginners, while its robust feature set caters to more experienced users. Whether you're creating social media content, marketing videos, or educational materials, VEED.io offers a comprehensive suite of tools to bring your vision to life. The platform boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the complexity often associated with traditional video editing software. This streamlined approach allows users to quickly add, arrange, and edit video clips, images, and audio tracks. A key strength of VEED.io lies in its extensive library of pre-designed templates. These templates provide a convenient starting point for various video formats, saving users valuable time and effort. From eye-catching intros and outros to engaging social media posts, the templates offer a diverse range of options to enhance video production. Beyond basic editing functions, VEED.io offers a range of advanced features, including the ability to add text overlays, create animated graphics, and incorporate transitions and effects. Users can also customize the look and feel of their videos by adjusting colors, fonts, and aspect ratios. Moreover, VEED.io provides tools for screen recording, voiceovers, and subtitles, further expanding its creative possibilities. The screen recording feature is particularly useful for creating tutorials, presentations, and demonstrations. The platform also facilitates collaboration, allowing users to share projects and work together seamlessly. This collaborative aspect enhances productivity and streamlines the video creation process, especially for teams. VEED.io also prioritizes accessibility by offering automatic subtitle generation, making videos more inclusive and reachable to a wider audience. This feature also simplifies the process of adding subtitles for different languages, expanding the potential reach of video content. In conclusion, VEED.io presents a compelling and accessible solution for video editing needs across a spectrum of applications. Its intuitive interface, coupled with its robust features and collaborative capabilities, makes it an ideal platform for both novice and experienced video creators looking to simplify their workflow and produce high-quality content.